They will not know the code as the pay. Hey, still won't get car. Hey, still won't get car.
You're listening.
I pay for money on the car.
My man, listen to me now. You know that somebody, yeah, why you're fighting for? Why you going in the mail code for?
Thank you. And my phone is out. They may play our community league. How are they referring?
They play 7 different matches. 15 records. They all give I give them 3 records in 1 game. I think other team come. I think 3. So,
see,
you pay the card.
Pack ref
Today.
It's like I can't looking for so the umbrella ref.
No, when how you playing so already?
100 royalty.
115. Yeah, 1,005. Thank you. How you playing people leave you or say or team? Oh, 15 records.
Thank you. I'm a struggle, meteor, splash and tackle.
My man, I pick you, man. Start calling my ear, man. My brother, I pick you, did it, man. What? Did it, man? I will make you get your own money. If you test me, you have to card. Sorry. Just test me, you card. Okay, I will not test you. I respect your rules. So what is that man need it, man, for? I don't want to tell you, say, lead it, man. And I want to say, yes. I will make you to make your own money. You yourself, you'll be surprised.
I'm gonna trust you.
Trust me. Lead it, man.
Wait, I gotta take this.
Now, on record. I know you're taking record. Yeah, take a record. But please, I just want you to list it. I want you to give me your ear so you can make your own money. Okay. I know you never placed bet before. If no, you don't have to worry. Oh yes, because if you never placed a bet before, it is very simple and easy with start bet.
My brother, you're not ordinary Jamu. Talk about responsible Jamu.
Thank you. Now listen, because start bet, it is the best platform everybody using now because it is super clean and easy to navigate. You know what they call navigate? To move on. Oh, they're not all. Now, you come closer. Let me show you something. Are you getting me? How you can place your oath. Now, you will see 2.00. Are you getting me? Just bet 10 and then you win 20. It means you get $10 profit. Oh, yes, that's free money. Oh, that's free, complete free money. That's what start bet can do. Now, what you need to do is to pick your option. You know what you call option? Yeah, that's the yeah, the various thing you want. Are you get me? Pick your option, enter, and get me, just enter your stake, and like that, you already in.
But they are in for betting.
And listen to me, you know that the FIFA club worker is already around the corner. That the best time to what? Tom in my dear brother. I'm telling you.
So all the games they will be on the app for you to bet.
Yeah. So you know what you can do now? No. Start small, explore very big. And you getting me? Hey, my brother. Place your bet and you will win big. Oh yes.
Go ahead, international referee. Give me record. Your friend in club worker, you not there.
My brother, wait, give me this.
Referee fan up. If you ask you,
sorry, my man, you must show you get some more, man. You don't owe people. You don't want to get some more. Now this is to place your bet. It's very easy. What you need to do is just to use my promo code JOJO, JOJO, all in capital letter. Yeah, and you will get the chance. You'll be the first to win your 300% bonus. Then, you will be the first to win 300% bonus.
Just by using your promo code.
Yeah, JOJO.
I spell it again.
JOJO, all in capital letters.
When I got to take record.
JOJO. Yeah, and listen to me, brother. I am betting. Are you in?
Are you?
They be shot again. You in, my brother. So you need to do now. Your watch now, mama, and go start betting. Go to anywhere they get start bet anywhere. Go and start betting now, brother. You will win. You know you're looking lucky.
You won't get car. You not part of crowd walk off.
Brother, you start going now.
Papa, reverend.